Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start with the chapter birds and their body parts. Okay, as you can see in the picture, there are so many types of birds, and all of them have different features also. Okay, so all the birds are the only animals who have feathers on their body and wings on their body, and they have a beak. They have a beak to eat food, and they have wings in place of limbs. In place of their hands, they have limbs which are called forelimbs, and in place of and other than that they have two legs, and these two legs are having claws with them. Claws, okay, and with these claws they can sit anywhere and have a strong grip on the branch also, or wire also. And if we talk about their body parts, you can see they have head, feathers, wings, tails, legs, and all the parts of body they have. And let's discuss these body parts again. Now see, uh, upside there is head and eye and beak on beak, okay, and after head they have neck, and downside of neck, feathers, wings, and legs. All these together are called trunk. Okay, feathers, wings, and legs together are called trunk. Now separately also it will be called feather, wings, tail, and in their legs they have claws to make a strong grip on the place where they sit. And generally they use their beak to break the nuts and to tear their food. Okay, and as I told you, legs, they use legs to sit on the branches of tree and make their grip strong through their claws. And to climb also they use it, and they fly with their wings. Let's move ahead. Now, division of birds. So as everybody knows, there are different types of birds. So their birds have been divided into 6 parts because all of them have different qualities and features. So at number 1 there is perching birds. Perching birds, okay, like crow, pigeon, sparrow. Now what are perching birds? The birds who sit on the branches of trees and on the wire are known as perching birds. The birds who sit on the branches of trees and on wires are known as perching birds. They have 3 toes in total. They have 3 toes in total, and very tight grip. They have very tight grip. They have very tight grip. These birds have 3 toes in front side, and one toe is at the back side. One toe is at the back side. So back side toes works like thumb. Like whenever we have to hold anything in our hand, our four fingers are at one side and one thumb is at one side, so that we can hold the thing strongly. In the same way, their 3 toes remain at one side and one toe remain at the back side to hold the wire or anything strongly. Okay, they have very tight grip. Okay, and their toes go round the branches to grip them firmly, to hold them strongly. And they can't even fall off the branch or wherever they are sitting, even if they are sleeping, their grip is so tight. Okay, and sparrows, crows, pigeon are example of the perching birds. Now let's move to climbing birds. Climbing birds are those who have four toes. Four toes they have. Though perching birds also have four, but their toes work in a different manner, and climbing birds claws works in a different manner. Okay, birds like woodpecker and parakeet have four toes, and two of their toes point upwards and another two downwards. Like about perching birds I told, three remains ahead, one remains backside. But in climbing birds, two remain ahead upward and two remain downward. Because these are climbing birds, so whenever they climb anywhere, like if they are climbing the tree, so two will remain upside and two will remain downside. These toes help them to climb up and to cling to trees. Okay, and uh, this is about climbing birds. They can make a strong hold on the trees bark when they are moving upside. Okay, so that they can move easily and do not fall off the tree. Now see, here is the picture of claws to show you the position of toes up in the up direction and position downside direction. As you can see, two are upside, two are downside, and there is a woodpecker in the picture who is holding the tree's bark. Now look at flesh eating animals. What are flesh eating animals? So here you can see the picture. There are kite, eagle, hawk. Okay, these are called flesh eating animal. As you know, those animals which eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eating animals, and they have these birds use their claws to grip small animal because they are little big in the size. So while flying in the sky, they can grip the smaller animals also in their claws. Okay, they use them to tear their food, and when they hold the animal, so then they use their beak and claws to tear their food. Okay, these birds are eagle, kites, hawks. Okay, and they are the birds of prey that have talons. They have talons. Okay, and now you can see some more features of these animals, like they have sharp and curved claws. Sharp and curved. Okay, claws. They use their claws to grip small animals, as we discussed just right now. And birds of prey means birds that kills and eats other animals and birds. As I told you, these are flesh eating, so they eat other animals flesh. Okay, so that's all for now. Rest of the part we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.